Hey everyone, I am Arunima. Welcome to my channel Artsy Arunima. In today's video, I will show you this beautiful colorful mandala tutorial using black pen, brush pens and golden glitter pen. So if you enjoy the video, then don't forget to give the like. Let me know your opinions in the comment section and share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more of such art and crafts related videos. So let's start the video. I have taken a 17 cm by 17 cm paper, pointed out the middle point, and then I am starting drawing the mandala. If you enjoy the video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such art and crafts related videos. If you like my content, then do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box and also in my channel about section. I am done with drawing the outline. Now I will fill the mandala with brush pens and golden glitter pens. So before that, use an eraser and remove the pencil marks. In the center, I am using purple brush pen. Then I will use sky blue brush pen and then fill up the remaining part with golden glitter pen. For the next layer, I will use pink brush pen and the same golden glitter pen. Next, I will use orange brush pen and golden glitter pen. Again using the purple brush pen. Using the sky brush pen again. If you recreate any of my artworks, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook while uploading them. I will love to give it a shout out. For the next layer, I am using pink brush pen and golden glitter pen. Using the orange brush pen once again and the sky blue one too. The golden glitter pen is for every layer. Once again using the purple brush pen for the last layer. I am adding one more touch into it and using the same purple brush pen to fill up these parts. And I am done with drawing this beautiful colorful mandala. Here is how the finished art piece look like. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay connected. See you in the next video.